Kia ora, I'm Nicolasa Biasini-Tule, CEO and co-founder of Digital Natives Academy, an Indigenous youth-led organization based in New Zealand. Our work transforms creative tech into a pathway for climate action, cultural connection, and youth development. We introduce climate issues in ways that feel relevant, grounded in real conversations, real people, and real-world impact. The young people we work with are a beautiful mix of Māori, neurodiverse, and gender-diverse learners, often disconnected from mainstream education. But through our programs, they reconnect to these lands, to their ancestors, and to their role as kaitiaki, guardians of our planet and of our future. We weave culture and identity into every program. Climate resilience isn't new, it's ancestral. Our young people carry that knowledge forward. Our learners aren't just participants, they co-design our programs. Their voice shapes what we teach, how we teach, and why it matters. This is more than education, it's transformation. Through digital storytelling, they explore big questions. What does climate justice mean for us? How can Indigenous stories shape these solutions? We turn technology into a creative climate lab. From VR to robotics to Minecraft, learners model solutions to flooding, drought, and resource loss, rooted in Indigenous values. From the roots of culture to the front line of climate action, our young people are shaping a future that is resilient, regenerative, and radically hopeful.